At dulo, magpa-park tayo sa 3rd floor daw, going up. So ako, ganun ginagawa ko kapag mag-hotel. Park muna ako and then talagang pinapark yung kotse. Hello! So, i-review natin. Para siyang kwarto sa Japan. Just like that. Pero, 2 single bed. So, nandito kami sa facing the pool. Medyo amoy chlorine yung kwarto namin. Pero, it's okay. Then, Okada.
Why didn't we go to Okada instead?
Oh, next ano. So, mayroon silang TV. Siguro mga 41-inch. And then, mayroon silang basket ng slippers and safety box. And meron silang cabinet. What you call that? Rack?
Clothing rack.
Clothing rack, yeah. And then, meron naman sila. Ito, wala daw. Walang ano.
Bathtub.
Walang bathtub. Okay na, kasi 3,000 plus with buffet. Pwede na rin. This is a budget hotel.
Whose bed is whose?
So, we have 2 free
Okay,
water and
your bed.
small refrigerator.
Because Manaka's right here.
Yan. So, meron silang puan, meron silang trash can. So, mamaya, reviewin natin yung mga pool and breakfast tomorrow.
Nila is nasa 6th floor. And look at the view. Kita nyo yung Okada. So, ito yung exterior ng hotel. Napaka-relaxing. Sobrang gusto kong matulog sa gilid ng upuan. Sobrang ganda niya.
Good morning. This is the hallway. So, kami ay breakfast. So, this is outside the hotel look like. There's a room. That is our room. And garlic rice. Chicken apretada. Nakakanoyan. Hi! Papunta kami ng school ng anak ko kasi may training siya. So, when you're going out and going in here in the hotel, hindi na kailangan ng parking ticket at hindi na rin kailangan magpa-valet, pa-valet ng ticket. And then, hindi na rin kailangan, sorry, I was in the middle of masikip na daan. So, ayan. So, hindi na nga kailangan ng parking ticket dito where you're going in and going out. So, yun lang. So, drive muna ako. Bye! Ng girls. So, ayan. Ito. Ito. It's a wet sauna. So this is the hot, dry sauna. Okay. Ayan, you change here. Doon na lang sa kabila. Okay na. And dito, going up, meron palang locker room. There's PWD and men's room. So, in the morning, this is the okay, so let's sit here. Okay, ready, my swimmer? Or should you go to shower? Wow. So refreshing while watching Barbarian. So let's watch. Kiki! Andres! Andres!
Hi! Ayan. So, nakita niyo naman na nag-book kami sa what you call this? Kingsford Hotel. So, ngayon, ang ginawa ko, imbes na nag-book ako directly ng 2 nights sa hotel, ang ginawa ko kasi, tumawag ako sa hotel mismo ng reception para mag-book ng 1 day with free breakfast na for 2 yun. So, ang ginawa ko, nag 1 night lang ako ng booking. Kasi wala silang hindi pwedeng walang breakfast. So, gusto lang naman namin matikman yung free breakfast ng hotel. So, yung second day namin, binook ko na siya sa Agoda, which is parang 3,000 plus lang. So, like, mga 2,000 almost 3,000. So, sa hotel sa Kingsford, mga 3,000 plus siya. So, ang kulang-kulang na almost 7,000 ang nabayaran ko for 2 nights. Kung gusto nyo ng 1 day lang at matikman yung breakfast, so, yun ang pwede nyong gawin. So, yun lang. So, please watch my vlog. And yung napansin ko lang talaga sa hotel, nung nag-breakfast kami, may naiwan lang naman akong alcohol na maliit lang naman kasi nag-alcohol pa rin ako before and after kumain. So, dinikit ko siya sa table with the condiments. So, nakalimutan kong kunin. So, after 15 minutes, bumaba ako. Ayan, hindi naman namin na nakita. And then, ano pa bang mga na ano ko dun sa hotel? Mabilis naman yung service nila and mabait yung mga staff. So, marami lang talagang tao kapag between mga 3 o'clock hanggang 5 onwards sa swimming pool. Siyempre, mainit. So, yun yung mga time na lumalabas yung mga guest sa hotel para wala na rin masyadong init ng araw. So, yun lang naman din napansin ko. And kahit weekday nun maraming naka-check-in sa hotel. And feeling ko may mga events din. Kasi nung breakfast namin ng mga 8:30 AM, marami na rin talagang tao. Ang sabi dun sa hotel, 6:30 to 7:30 or 8, wala pa masyadong traffic ng tao. Pagdating na ng 8:30 hanggang 10, hanggang 10:30 lang kasi yung food or 9:30, ayan, marami tao. And pagdating na ng mga 10, syempre pasara na, mga 10:30, wala na masyadong siya. Tsaka, tira-tira na lang din yung mga kuha yung pagkain. So, yan lang naman yung napansin ko. So, yeah. And then, yung, kunwari, ganon, yung booking nyo is different from hotel tapos sa Agoda nyo kinuha. Yung second day namin, hindi namin pa-update yung keycard. So, nagkaroon lang kami ng medyo, a little problem lang. Kasi, yung anak ko nasa taas and then may dumating na Grab delivery para sa food ng anak ko. So, hindi siya makaakyat. So, kailangan i-update yung keycard. Kasi, yung elevator is may keycard. Hindi ganun makakaakyat pag wala kang keycard ng hotel. So, ayun, dapat siguro sinabi, kasi hindi naman sinabi nung receptionist, nung first time namin nag-book, sabi niya okay na daw. I asked him na okay na daw yung second day booking. So, hindi niya nasabi na
kailangan pa-update yung keycard. Pero maayos naman at nabigay naman ng maayos din naman yung keycard for second day at napa-update naman. So, yun lang naman. But, by 10, overall, talaga namang 8 out of 10 from actually. So, nung gabi ng Wednesday, pumunta naman ako, umattend ako ng event ni Fabio. It's Antidote. Correct me if I'm wrong. Event yun ng liquor, gin, na alak. Yeah. And super love the elevator ng 6th floor going to the rooftop bar. The roof. So, ayan, I'm with my friends, Sachi, and his friend. So, ayan, first time ko pumunta sa 6th floor, para makaka-akyat ka ng 42nd floor. So, kailangan mo magpunta na muna ng 6th floor. Kasi, assist ka ng receptionist. Kasi, may keycard din sila sa elevator. So far, nakalabas din. And I'm so happy na nakita ko, na-reconnect ko ulit yung mga old friends. So, ayan yung Antidote. Hindi naman ako umiinom. So, uminom lang ako ng water. Ayan, si Sachi at ang kanyang friend. So, ang saya. Nakita ko yung mga dati kong friends.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love